So what's behind the surge in demand for help from food banks? According to a new report titled Hunger Count 2024, it's unaffordable housing, the cumulative effect of years of rapid inflation, and a lack of social safety nets driving poverty and food insecurity like never before. Food Banks Canada says it recorded more than 2 million visits in March 2024. That is nearly double the number of monthly visits from 5 years ago, back in 2019.
Of that over 2 million visits, about 700,000 of those are for children. And these are kids that should be enjoying their childhoods, going to schools with full stomachs so they can learn, but really their families are struggling to make sure they have the basics of life.
The report says there's growing need for help among certain parts of the population, in particular renters, racialized groups, as well as newcomers to Canada. Now, this includes seniors and families with children, and it is all concerning. But the seniors and kids segments in particular are characterized by the food bank as, quote, deeply concerning. 1 in 5 clients were employed, which paints a picture of the increasing ranks of the so-called working poor. Nearly 70% lived in market rent housing. About a third of food banks across the country say they've run out of food without meeting surging demand in the past 12 months. The report calls on governments to introduce assistance as well as monthly payments to low-income groups to help them with rent and food. Anne Gaviola, Global News, Toronto.